All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to answer a type of question that we're going to use our knowledge of mass and of volume to solve. So here it says, choose the unit of measurement that would be used to measure the items below. So I have to choose between grams, kilograms, and liters. Well, I know grams are like little tiny cubes. Think about the little yellow cubes that you use sometimes, okay, in math. Okay, so those are going to be really little, right? A kilogram, okay, that is going to be a large amount, okay? That's going to be a lot bigger than grams. Grams is something small. Kilograms is going to be something really big. And I know liters is what we just talked about. Liters is going to be liquid, right? I'm going to kind of color that in to make me think this is liquid. So these are going to be mass. These are going to be like solid objects, where liters is going to be more liquid like water. So a worm. I know it's not going to be liters because this is not liquid. A worm is really small, so I'm going to say that's going to have to be grams. And I'm just going to write a G for grams. Okay. A boat. Well, the boat is not made of water. It goes on water, but I'm not measuring the boat because it's in liters because it's not water. It's going to be pretty big. So I'm going to say this is going to be kilograms. So I'm going to write kg. Okay, so how do I know that the worm is grams, but the boat is kilograms? Right, because grams are something small, but kilograms are something big. Okay, what about this pencil? Right, it should be grams, something small. What about the milk? Right, it's liquid, so it should be liters. And this car, it's not liquid, and it's not very small, so that should be like the boat. It should be in kilograms. Okay, so now we've kind of understood a little bit about the size. Okay, so now I'm going to answer this question about kilograms, using kilograms to help solve it. Okay, this is a question that is very similar to something you could see on iLearn. This is a released item that has been on a test in the past. So it says 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So this right here is like a little hint. It's like a clue to help me in case I didn't already know that. I'm going to need to use that to help solve. Okay, and there's two parts, so I need to start with part A. So it says John's pumpkin has a mass of 2 kilograms. All right, so that seems important, so I'm going to underline that. The mass of Greg's pumpkin is 500 grams. Okay, so John has 2, Greg has 500. Oh, not just 500, 500 less than John's. What is the mass of Greg's pumpkin? Okay, well, I know this says grams, but this one says kilograms. So I need to make them be the same. I can't subtract kilograms from grams because it's not the same thing. So that's why they gave me this little conversion chart up here. Okay, so I'm going to say this is John, and he has 2 kilograms, which is really 2,000 grams. So I'm going to write this as 2,000 grams. Right? Because if I have 2 kilograms, well, that's 2 1,000s, which is 2,000. Okay, now I know Greg's is 500 less than. If something is less than, what am I going to do? That's right, I'm going to subtract. Okay, so it's 2,000 less than John's. So John's is 2,000, so I need to take 2,000 minus 500. And that's going to give me my answer for Greg's pumpkin. So what's 2,000 minus 500? Okay, well, I could go through in here and borrow, but I know this one in my brain. It's 1,500. And remember, you can always borrow and go across if you need to. 0, 0, right? You can cross this one out, make that a 1, and then bring that here and make it a 10. Okay, and then you will get the same answer I just got. So I would write that answer here, 1,500 grams. All right, so now I'm going to use this information to help me with solve part B. John thinks the mass of the two pumpkins in grams is greater than 3,000 grams. Okay, so if you add 2,000 plus 1,500, is that going to be greater than 3,000? Use words, numbers, and or symbols to explain if John is correct. Okay, so I'm going to say John is, let's find out. Is it greater than 3,000? Right, well, 2,000 plus 1,500, that would be 2,000 plus 1,000 is 3,000, plus the 500 would be 3,500. So that means that's more than 3,000. So John is correct. Now, how do I know he's correct? It says I need to use words, numbers, and or symbols. Well, I can say John's pumpkin equals 2,000. Greg's pumpkin equals 1,500. And I can say 2,000 plus 1,500 equals 3,500, which is greater than 3,000, right? And now you would take the time to write all that out correctly, okay? It's hard to do with this pen. So that would be a way to explain how you know that he is, yes, correct. Now you guys are going to, oh, look right here. I had it all written out. So John is correct. His is 2,000, Greg's pumpkin. When you add the two together, it would be 3,500, which is greater than 3,500 grams. Okay, that's a little bit nicely written there. So let's try this one together. And I'm going to let you finish it on your own. So which of the following is the closest measurement of liquid in the beaker shown to the right? So if you look at this, you can see that it skip counts. It says 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So we're skip counting by 20s here. And this is right here in the middle. So what if you're counting and you say 20, 40, 60, okay, what would be in between 20 and 40? All right, 30. So what would be between 40 and 60? Right, 50. It's 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So this is going to be close to 50. Do you see an answer here that's close to 50? Okay, because do you think that would make the most sense? Okay, so I'm going to let you go ahead and complete that. And then there's a bunch of different questions here that have to do with volume and mass. Okay, this one is like what I modeled just a second ago. There's a part A, part B, and a part C. Okay, and then don't forget to reflect. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys. Bye.